Hi, dude. My name is Victor from Diamond Valley Honda, Southern California. And I'll be honest, I can keep it real, like Sean. I didn't want to come here at first, to be honest. And I haven't been so glad to be proven wrong. So thank you very much, Sean. Thanks to everybody, dealership energy team.
Wow.
LA, thank you very much. LA told us like many times, you guys have to come, you guys have to come. I'm like, LA, I don't know. I've been to a lot of these meetings and I don't get too much from them. I loved it. I was telling LA, we had lunch together. It's probably the best conference I've been to, and I've been to plenty of conferences. So thank you very much. What I took away, something resonated with me a lot as a GM in my store, and I was a general sales manager before, something that Roy said. You know, sometimes we get that good enough, get in the way of the great, and I think we've been doing that. And like Roy said, I think I failed in doing that, and I think I'm gonna take ownership of that when I come back to the store and definitely hold people to a higher standard because they deserve that from me. So, thank you.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.